Gal Gadot tried to drag 8 Palestine Solidarity activists into court using a Thatcher-era anti-union law, and the entire prosecution collapsed before it even began. Not after months of trial, not after contested evidence, not after some dramatic cross-examination. It fell apart at the starting line. And when something this politically loaded disintegrates that quickly, you don't have to dig for hidden motives or whispered conversations because the structure of the thing exposes itself. Gal Gadot put her name to a prosecution that was always doomed. The police tried to force a square peg through a circular-shaped statute, and the activists paid the price until the law finally saw sense. And you start with Gadot because she's the axis here. She isn't some neutral Hollywood presence who wandered into the wrong protest. She spent years positioning herself as one of the most visible cultural defenders of the Israeli state, publicly denouncing ceasefires during the bombing of Gaza, telling her audience they should support Israel because of terrorism, and insisting that her Snow White backlash was really about actors being pressured to condemn Israel. You don't get to do all that and then be surprised when anti-genocide activists show up at your film set. She drew protest because she invited it with the politics she chose to amplify. That's not personal, that's political gravity. So when those activists, 8 of them, turned up at her London shoot to protest a state accused of genocide, the police didn't handle it like a routine demonstration. They didn't even reach for the usual public order measures. They reached for Section 241 of the Trade Union and Labour Relations Act. That's the picket line law. That's the one designed to break strikes and criminalise workers who persuade other workers not to cross a picket.